I wanted to show you a cool little program that you can use if you want to make a webcam video using your laptop or your desktop computer. And this is a program where you can not only record a video, but you can also subtitle that video as well. Best of all, it's for free. You might want to upgrade to the Pro plan later, but you can certainly start with the free program right now to make a video for LinkedIn. I do have the Pro plan, but everything I'm showing you today you can do on the free plan. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, so at this point we're all signed into the program, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start a new file. So just click on new content and we're in our file, and let's go ahead and make our recording and subtitle it. So one of the things before we do that is I like to make my videos in a 1:1 format, and you can 16:9 is kind of that YouTube look. 9:16 is those vertical videos. They don't look so good on desktop on LinkedIn. So I like to go with the 1:1 ratio because I find it looks good on a desktop computer and it looks good on a mobile phone in LinkedIn. So let's go with that. And all you have to do is make sure that 1:1 output is clicked and before you get going. So now what we're going to do is we come down here to record, and you have the option of recording your screen, recording your camera and your audio, and recording just audio. So it's kind of fun that you can do all of that inside of Kapwing. So at this point, what you would want to do is you would want to set what your video, where's your video coming from, your webcam or your computer or wherever. So you're going to select that, and then you're going to select the microphone. I can't do that right now as we're doing this because otherwise it cuts out my mic and I can't do the rest of the recording. So let's just pretend that we've done that, and we would see my picture up here in this area here, and all we would have to do is click that button, that's the red button that says start recording, and when you're done you click that and stop recording, and it's all good and you're good to go. And this is what it will look like when you're done recording. It automatically drops the recording right into the project file for you, so you're good to go, and you can hit the play bar. Hi there, I'm doing a demo video today. So there we go. And you might say, well, that's a lot of dead space here. Can we get rid of that? Yes, you can. All you have to do is move your play bar, and this is your video, and here's your audio. And I can just drag this in, and that now is where my video will start. So I'm going to just move it to the beginning. Hi there, I'm doing a demo video today. And that's it. So really easy editor here. Now you might look at this and you might say, but Jillian, that's kind of boring to have that white background. I agree. So what's nice is you can come down here and you can choose a color, and you can even click on here and choose all sorts of different colors. You even got a little color dropper so you can get really precise, type in a hex code, whatever you want to do. And that's what's nice. And I can even pick up my video and maybe move it up at the top, and then that way my captions are going to be down here in the blue area and not on top of my video. And I think that's kind of nice because sometimes it's very hard to see captions against your clothing. So I'm just going to go with that for now. And let's see, so let's go ahead and do our subtitles. So in order to get our subtitles, all we have to do is click on the button that says subtitles. So there we go, and we want to auto generate these. We don't want to sit here typing. So if we click auto generate, and then we select our language, and you can see there's many different variations of just even the English language, but there are so many languages that you can choose from. It's amazing. So I'm just going to go with English United States, click auto generate, and off it goes. It's going to do its little Kapwing kittens are hard at work going through my video and figuring out what I was saying and turning that into a quick little text file for me that I can now edit. And as you can see, does a really nice job. So it even capitalizes stuff and puts in periods and all sorts of things. So here's the first line, hi there. Here's the second line, I'm doing a demo video today. And I I can come through here and I can change the colors. I might decide that I want to have, right now I don't have a background, but if I wanted a background, there we go. I can change the color of the background. I can make it full across the screen. I can do all sorts of different things, but I'm just going to go with no background. I can change the size of the font. I can move my captions up and down. So maybe I'll go up there because I know that LinkedIn video play bar is going to be along the bottom. So this way, none of my captions will get hidden. And so if I'm happy with this, all I need to do is I'm looking at my editing. My editing's good. I don't need to edit anything. And if I'm happy with that, all I have to do is click that red button that says done. And there we go. There's my captions. There's my video. There's my audio. Let's move this little playhead to the beginning and see how it looks. Hi there. I'm doing a demo video today. Looks pretty good to me. And I can even trim this up if I want so that it ends exactly at the right time. The only drawback of the free plan is that you cannot export at 1080p. You do have to pay to upgrade and get the higher quality video. But I found for the most part 720p is probably just fine for social media. So I really wouldn't worry about that, and you can always think about upgrading later if you so choose. So I'm going to actually go ahead and do it at 720p just so that you can see how it is. So I just come up here and I click export video. And now the Kapwing kittens are hard at work, and what they're doing is they're putting in that colored background for me. They're putting those captions for me, burning it all in. Hi there, I'm doing a demo video today. So that's pretty quick. It's all done. And at this point, I want to download the video. So I'm going to just download it. Here, I'm going to take this video. I'm going to just pop it on my desktop so I can easily find it. And then how do I get it to LinkedIn? Okay, so I just come here and I go to start a post. I want a video post, and here is my video. So I'm going to choose that one. I can test it. Hi there, I'm doing a demo video today. And as you can see, 720 is just fine. And if I'm happy with that, I look at this. I'm not going to bother with a thumbnail, so I don't want a thumbnail. Captions, I don't need captions. They're already embedded in, so I can just click done. And so now I have to decide, where is this going to go? So if I look up at the top right now, I'm set to go to the Espresso group by Experian. And if I wanted it to go to the news feed, then I'd want it to say anyone. And anyone, you see the whole world can see it. So you see that little world. And if I say, no, I just want it to go to a particular group, then I just click on that, come into group, which group, Espresso by Experian, click save, and now it's going to the Espresso group. So see the little people versus the globe. So that's how you know the difference. And then of course, I'd want to type something here in this post so that you'd know what I'm talking about. And there will be my subtitles will show up there. And so if I was ready to go, I would just click the post button. I don't want to post it today, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to click the X, discard it, yes, and I have not posted it. So there we go. That is a quick overview of Kapwing to show you how you can very quickly record a video, edit it even if you want to, add a snazzy color and subtitles, and then how to zip it up to LinkedIn. I hope that helps.